Imam Khomeini's small house in Jamaran, from where he used to address the people, where the eyes of the whole world look on in amazement today. The Jamaran village is located in the foothills of the Alborz mountains and north of Tehran. In Jamaran village, on January 23, 1980, Ayatollah Khomeini went to Tehran from Qom to cure a heart ailment. According to doctor's recommendation, the weather of Qom did not agree with him. The house of Khomeini was next to the Hussainya in Jamaran village. The house was very small and his room was 12 square meters. The house was linked to a large mosque by a metal platform. Khomeini often walked up a flight of stairs leading from his house to the balcony of the mosque. From which he often spoke. Ruhollah Khomeini's house was placed next to the Hussainya in Jamaran village. The house was very small without any luxurious furnishings. His room, located in front of house, was about 12 square meters. A small platform adjoined the room to the Hussainya where Ayatollah Khomeini gave his speeches to audiences. It is a small house where the great man of the world used to address people. It was a great example of the piety of this great man. This house is an example to the people even today of how the hearts of the people are ruled by following the path of ailment. Today, people from all over the world come to Jamaran to see this ideal home.